What's going on, tubes? I want to do a quick review of these 45 North Wrathchild tires that I've been running. I've had kind of a poor season here in New England. As you can see, I'm riding some kind of local public lands, kind of shared use trails, and we're pretty much down to glare ice, kind of a mixture of snow and ice in areas. We had some snow, it froze up, or it got warm, froze up, and you know, trying to ride on regular non-studded fat bike tires is basically just suicidal right now. So I ended up picking these up, and it's incredible the traction that you get with these things. These got the concave studs on them. These are 4.6 tires, by the way, mounted on a 2015 Surly Pugsley. I was worried about the fitment in the rear, whether the 4.6 would fit. It does fit with plenty of room. I am running a 1x10 setup, but these are just really incredible tires. It's incredible the amount of traction that these things get. I wish I had done it sooner. But if you're on the fence of, you know, ordering a set of these, set of studded tires in general, I would just go with these Wrathchilds, man. I hear different reviews about, you know, the Dillinger. You know, some guys run a Wrathchild in the front and the Dillinger in the rear. But if you do a lot of kind of ungroomed, gnarly riding, kind of like stuff like this, you know, it's just incredible how much traction these tires get. Really, it's almost it's a game changer essentially, because I wouldn't be out here doing this if it weren't for these tires. So again, if you're on the fence on getting them, I would do it. One thing to note too is these are bi-directional. Well, I say if you run it on the front, you run it one way, and if you run it on the rear, you run it another. And that's one thing I've noticed too, is the mount. Before with the Surly Nates they had, like, I'd be spinning out all the time climbing up a hill. These things just rip and grip. It's pretty awesome. So again, if you're gonna get out, do some riding, get a set of those Wrathchilds. You'll thank me later. Enjoy, guys.